What if I told you that one of the greatest scams in history never really ended? That even today we are surrounded by systems that look new, but run on the same illusion: endless growth, endless profit, and endless trust. This is the story of the Ponzi system, how it began, and how it quietly shapes our modern world. The year was 1919. An Italian immigrant named Charles Ponzi arrived in Boston with a dream to become rich, fast. He promised investors something no one could resist: a 50% profit in 45 days. He claimed he could earn it by trading international postal coupons. In reality, there was no trade, only illusion. Ponzi used the money from new investors to pay the old ones, and for a while it worked like magic. People sold their homes, their jewelry, their trust, all to join his dream. But illusions don't last forever. When new investors stopped coming, the money ran out. The beautiful dream turned into panic. In 1920, the Ponzi empire collapsed, and with it, the life savings of thousands. Ponzi was arrested, but his name became eternal. Not as a man, but as a symbol of greed, hope, and blind trust. A century has passed, but the Ponzi spirit never died. It only evolved, wearing new faces. Today, we call them crypto scams, fake investments, pyramid marketing, and debt traps. Why do people still fall for it? Because Ponzi doesn't just sell money, he sells hope. Hope that we can win without effort. Hope that we can rise without risk. And the most dangerous hope of all, the belief that we're smarter than everyone else. Every Ponzi hides behind the same signs. 1. Unrealistic promises. 2. Pressure to join quickly. 3. A secretive or unclear business model. 4. Payments that depend on new people joining. If your profit depends on recruiting others, not real value, you're not investing, you're feeding the machine. The Ponzi system is not just history, it's a mirror reflecting who we are and what we desire. We can't destroy it completely, but we can learn to recognize it. Behind every offer that seems too good to be true, there's always a Ponzi waiting. If you liked this story, remember, awareness is power. Don't chase easy money. Chase real value. Because in a world full of Ponzis, the smartest investment is knowledge.